Could it be possible for a nation to commit genocide in the name of self-defense? This is the question that has been echoing in the hallowed halls of the International Court of Justice, as South Africa has accused Israel of genocidal acts in its military campaign on Gaza. In late December of 2023, South Africa took an unprecedented step by filing a case against Israel, urging the court to convene quickly and issue provisional measures, including a ceasefire. The application was based on alleged violations of the Genocide Convention. South Africa argued that Israel's acts and omissions were genocidal in character and had the specific intent to destroy Palestinians in Gaza. The war between Israel and Hamas in Gaza had resulted in the deaths of 168 Israeli soldiers and over 20,000 Palestinians, with many more injured. Fast forward to the 10th of January, 2024, Israel presented its defense before the International Court of Justice. Israel's defense argued that their military actions were not genocide and that they were acting in accordance with international law. South Africa, on the other hand, focused on the destruction and displacement in Gaza and presented evidence of genocidal statements made by Israeli officials. Israel questioned the ICJ's jurisdiction over the case and denied violating international law. The case is currently at the provisional measures stage, and the ICJ has the power to order Israel to comply with South Africa's requests. The time frame for the ICJ's decision is uncertain, but if they rule in favor of South Africa, the provisional measures would be temporary and a fully fledged trial would follow to determine if Israel committed genocide. South Africa's support for the Palestinian cause has sparked solidarity marches and protests in the country. However, support for Palestinians in South Africa is not unanimous, with the main opposition party considering Hamas a terrorist organization. The ANC-led government argues that its genocide case against Israel is a moral stance, but it has faced accusations of hypocrisy for ignoring international court orders in the past. In summary, the International Court of Justice is set to make a landmark ruling on the case of genocide brought against Israel by South Africa. The interim ruling will indicate if the International Court of Justice will order some emergency measures to restrain the Israeli offensive in Gaza, a verdict that could potentially change the course of the Israel-Hamas war and set a precedent for future international disputes.